Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another based website. You can earn dollar from that website. If you work honestly, you can earn much more. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my video until end, because I tell you the trick about this website. Okay, this is the website name is LiteGPT, and this is a brand new website, not new website. Total pay this much, total earn this much is the members online is this much. Very high payment website this is. Okay, and you can receive your payments to any cryptocurrency or your any wallet address. Okay, and first you go to register. This website link in description. Click the link and come here. Just put your username, email, password, confirm password, choose a solve capture in your direct country. You verify this all and you can directly register. Okay, right now I want to log in, and this is the website. You can log in your page and you can earn much more from this website. Okay, that's very easy. The first one is the earn. You can earn just watching PtcHats. PtcHats is very simple watching. You just click one of these. They pay you 0.001 cent dollar, and just click it and watch until end. And this one is just click watch and you watch it. This is the seconds going in. Okay, just watch 10 seconds. After watching, they reload the page and you can enter verify code, and you can enter the verification code. Okay, and you can be verified. Okay, very easy. Just watching advertisement. This is very easy way you can watch advertisement. This is the advertisement. Okay, now you can enter a key here. Just click send. You can verify the image and you can earn your crypto. Okay, sorry, it's not crypto, it's dollar. This much dollar I earned. Just you can close it. You can close the ad. Okay, and you can see just reload. They show you your balance. Right now this is the balance, and you can watch another one, and you can watch all of these. This website is very high payment website. The next one is traffic exchange. You can click here. You can just exchange your traffic. Okay, this will be available after just click start surfing. Okay, you can automatically surfing. This one will be easy. Then PtcHats, this is just automatically surfing. Just click it and you can watch advertisement, and you can just verify a code and you can earn your crypto. Okay, okay, right now it's reloading. It is too easy. Just show you advertisement. Okay, and this will be going like this. Okay, word, and just click send, and you can earn some coin from here. Okay, this much you can earn. Okay, yeah, just click next and you can watch another one. Okay, this one is very easy. Like this you can earn. And the next one is video. Just watching video and you can earn dollar from here. And this is another one, and this is another one. It's easy. Just watching this video. Okay, they pay you some coins about just watching a video. This is all the video available in here, and you, if you want to watch, just click one of these and then reload the page, and this one be come up. Okay, Okay, this is the video. The video is available in Dailymotion, and if you don't know about the Dailymotion, just comment me. I make a video about Dailymotion because Dailymotion is the highest paying website. Then YouTube, if you make a video in Dailymotion, if you found a view, they on your monetization, if you found one view, okay, they pay you directly. Okay, just watching this video and you can earn your crypto. Okay, this is the all things about this. Okay, and I don't want to watch this video. I show you another trick in here. The next one is the Faucet. You can claim Faucet and you can earn from the Faucet, and the available Faucet is every 1 hour. Every 1 hour you can earn some Faucet from this website. Okay, and little bit come down. This is the capture you want to fill. This is just each capture is available. Just I click capture, solve the capture. After that I come back. Okay, I solved the capture. Now I click claim, and then randomly pay me some dollar. Okay, and this is just randomly every 60 minutes you can earn. Okay, this is the numbers and the earning you can earn from the numbers. Okay, right now each capture hero, try again. They told me try again. Okay, okay, not try again. This is the last roll is this much. I earned this much. The capture pay me. Okay, the Faucet. And the next one is short links. You can watch short links. You know all about the short links. This is all about available short links in here. Every 24 hours they will be back again and you can watch again. Okay, this is iPayment, and the next one is Offerwall, and you can complete Offerwalls and you can earn much more. If you know about Offerwalls, you can complete very fast and you can earn much more from here. Okay, right now this is the offer. 10 Satoshi, 5 Satoshi of Bitcoin pay you to complete this little bit offer. Okay, server time, earn one instantly. Okay, this is directly just visit the website. After 5 seconds they pay you your Satoshi. This is very easy, just watching the websites and you can earn. On you can go to Clickwalls, it's Withdrawal, and this one is Clickwalls, and in here too it's ads. Okay, first okay, just watch this advertisement, 7 seconds they pay you this much dollar. Okay, this is all advertisement about dollars, and you can earn much more from here. If you love to earn much more, you just complete the offer too. Okay, and the next one is, okay, I show you this one because this survey is pay you much more than other surveys. Okay, this is all payment. This is the iPayment from this survey. Okay, the next one is Pop the Box. Pop the Box is the one of the best one. Just you can earn 4 times every 24 hours. There will be upgrade and you can earn much more. And the next one is a mark, and from here you can earn much more too. This is a very high paying website from dollar, and if you earn much more, you can work much more, you can earn much more. Okay, this is the complete session. Every complete session you can earn this much dollar. Okay, if you, this is the little bit video to show you how it's work, and you just complete and you can earn, complete and you can earn, and complete you can earn. Okay, This is very easy. 4 times you can make it a first step and you can earn. Okay, and another one is the membership. You can buy a membership and you can earn much more just buying a membership. This is the all membership available. The first one is free. Every PtcHats you watch, they pay you this much dollar. Right now I buy this active user. Okay, I buy this number 2 and they pay me every PtcHats, every referral direct, all unlimited one, Offerwalls earning or traffic exchange earning. This one pay me this much. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, and if you want to buy this one, you can earn much more. This is the all payment. If you buy active user by 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 360 days, 1 year, you can buy it and pay with any one you have, like a payer or another payment method. I don't know. Okay, coin payment. If you have payer, you can pay with payer or coin payer, and you can upgrade your earning too. Okay, this is very easy. This is the states of ladder board to show you how much you can earn and other people earn from here. This is the top 10 earner from this website. Okay, top 10 countries earner from this website, and top 10 referral earner and top 10 commission earner. Okay, this is a very high payment from this website. They pay you much more. You can see the commission, the referral, the earning, and they make much more money from here. Okay, you can make too. Okay, and you can watch all of these, and this is my balance right now, and the referral balance is right now 0. Just referral other friends, your friends, and come here. You can earn much more from other friends too. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This website link is available in description. And the last thing is the withdrawal. A lot of you don't know how you can withdraw your funds. This is the withdrawal. You can just click it and you can go to withdraw to honey. Things you have like a BTC wallet. This one is the BTC wallet, is right now 0. I didn't transform any money to BTC wallet. To pay your Faucet pay wallet, crypto direct to pay, BTC wallet, and or you have PayPal, you can withdraw to PayPal too. Okay, this all amount you can just click the fees, the cut, and the minimum amount is this much. This is very low. You can earn very soon, and you can just click withdraw, they pay you. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and this website link available in description. Click the link and come here, just register yourself and start earning money.